So this is the TurtleWax Trim Restorer, coming in at a price of about 750 rupees, and this small little bottle has the power to convert your old car, your old looking car, into a brand new one. Well, yes, I previously tried out the TurtleWax Headlight Restorer and it worked wonders on my headlight. So I thought, why not try the TurtleWax Trim Restorer, wherein my car's black cladding part, the plastic trim part which comes outside the car, was totally worn out, was totally faded after using it for 8 years. Yes, my car is about 8 years old and all the claddings outside have completely faded out due to sunlight, due to UV radiation, due to dust, due to dirt, and number of reasons. So this trim restorer kind of worked an awesome magic on this, and trust me, after I applied this, the car is looking just like as if it came out of the showroom today. Now just take a look at this picture. On the left you can see how the cladding looked before I applied this trim restorer, and on the right you can see the magic it has worked. This is something unbelievably good, and you should definitely be trying this in your car if you want to convert your old car into a new one and convert all the black cladding part around your car into a new one. Now the application part of this trim restorer is super simple and super easy. Just make sure that you've removed all dust and dirt from the plastic parts outside the car. You can either use a tissue paper or a cloth. Make sure all the dust and dirt is removed, and once that's done, just take a microfiber cloth or a sponge or any applicator method which you prefer. Put on this trim restorer, this thick viscous fluid that comes out of this bottle, and just apply it on the plastic part in a back and forth motion or in a circular motion. Within a matter of few minutes, you will have your brand new car waiting for you. So I applied this trim restorer on all the surrounding of my car, including the wiper area, where basically you have like direct exposure to sunlight, and of course this wiper area had become totally worn out and faded, but now it just looks so good and so awesome as you're seeing right now. So what are you waiting for? The price is right, comes about 750 rupees. The usage is super easy, and this should ideally last for a duration of 2 to 3 months at a bare minimum. Does even a better accessory exist? I probably think not. So definitely go ahead and grab the TurtleWax Trim Restorer. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. A wonderful product. I personally have tried this and recommending based on my own personal experience. Now of course I'll be bringing out a long-term review for this as well, to see how long the polish actually lasts when compared to what you generally get in car wash shops. Basically that goes in about 4 to 5 days. So I'll be checking out how good this worked and how long this will last, and I will be updating you constantly on my channel. So in case if you don't want to miss those important updates, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. That being said, the difference between the before and after is stark, is drastic, and that's what I expected when I bought this product, and this product has lived up to its name. So go ahead and grab it right now. Do not waste any more of your time. This is a super budget accessory, and this is a super useful accessory. See you in the next one.